Jai Gurudev, we meet again. Professor Vijay Kumar with you. Now, Panchabhuta Ragasyam for building your immunity, making your body invincible. That is the idea. So, in the earlier video, I had covered about earth and water. In this video, we will look at the secret of air and fire. Two elements we will cover. Space is a big area, we will reserve it for the other video. Now, how do you align your bodily systems with that of the third element, which is air? Vayu. In fact, Vayu is one of our Hindu gods. Okay, he is the blower, he is the air, he is the prana of the universe. Now, Vayu exists in our body at all the 5 layers. We call it as prana, apana, udana, vyana, samana, each catering to 5 different functions. Now, many words that I use and whatever concepts I am giving, it is not to show my knowledge or not to bamboozle you. The point is, don't worry about any words, Sanskrit, Tamil or English. You are already, like I said in the first video, you are already in yogam, you are already in yoga. Due to certain actions which you have been doing, you might have moved out of a little balance. Therefore, your body could be heavy, you may be having some skin irritation, you may be having stomach disorders, or your eyesight, you may be having issues, breathing issues, etc., etc., etc. A lot of issues, women folk have a lot of issues. Certain my menstrual cycles, which are supposed to be very natural, things are blown out of proportion. So I will address all those issues. See, the idea is, it's like, why we go out of balance is, what we put in is what we get out. It's like a computer principle, GIGO. Garbage in, garbage out. Goodness in, goodness out. This is Newton's third law. As you sow, so you reap. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Isn't this the karma? So, if at all we have moved out and we have gone into imbalance, it is because of our actions and our thoughts. Very simple. There's nothing new. Take it that I'm just reminding you. Now, the air element is such a powerful element that, just look at it. You have an automobile, you have got full gas and fuel in your automobile is fantastic, it is in very good condition, but your tires don't have air. At least if the tires have air, you can push your automobile or your vehicle, even if there's no fuel, petrol or diesel. Okay, so air is the very basis, it is at the fulcrum. Air is the bridge that integrates the abstract with the concrete. It integrates the space with the earth. It's a great blower, it's a great converter, it's a great transformer, on par with fire. In fact, they are two related. Let me come back to air. Bear with me. Now, in the air, in the mochi, we say the prana. Prana, when we breathe, the secret to immunity is, as much as possible, take in deep breaths. Deep breaths. Now, you can take a breath even through your mouth. Okay, there are variations. We will come to that. So, if there are masters and others who are watching this video, I'm sure you will understand. Bear with me, because we have to reach to a larger audience. So if you notice, the full breath that goes in and comes out, this is nothing new. Many of you would already know. The chest or the lungs expand, but there is a movement into the diaphragm. The diaphragm is the upper portion of your stomach and the lower portion of your lungs. there is an organ which is called as the diaphragm. The more the diaphragm is exercised, the more your lung is getting powerful. So, full breath. Now, normally what happens, நம்ம breathing வந்து எப்படி பண்றோம்னா, it is shallow breathing. See, we do shallow breathing. If you notice, there's a shallow breathing. It's just like the ECG, you know. It goes in a very shallow manner. Suddenly, when you get up or you go, you take a deep breath, then it's like the ECG graph, it goes big. Then again, small, then again big. The concept is, in air breathing, 21,600 times a human being breathes per day. That means inhalation, exhalation happens in 24 hours, 21,600 times. Never mind that. But if you calculate, what is happening when we calculate? Your short breaths, your short shallow breaths are, the breathing gets increased to 30,000, 32,000. And that is where the lifespan gets reduced. That is where the immunity gets reduced. Yogic masters and others, you know, they bring the breathing down. They bring the breathing down. There are siddhas and siddhi practitioners who can bring the breathing down to almost 1 breath a minute. Some are there, they go on for hours. Personally, I have viewed these things. So, secret to immunity with the air element for now in this video. In, out. In, out. So you take in through your nose, let it out through your nose. When you take in through the nose, letting out through your nose, energy builds in. Take in through your nose, letting out through your mouth. There's an added advantage, stress gets released. In fact, if you're very stressed, I'll give you a simple technique. Just sit, take 6 deep breaths. The 6th breath, just release it out in one stroke with a vocal sound as ha. The sound ha. There's an ancient song, Tamil song. Ennadaan nadakkum nadakattume. In that the hero sings ha. That means we are not bothered. Release the stress. So deep breathing, whenever you breathe in, breathe out, there is an energy building in. Unfortunately, as things go, we watch, mobile phone, then so many things are happening. So you forget breathing deeply. Therefore, you can do one thing with your mobile phone. One useful thing with the mobile phone is set an alarm which will give you a beep for every 2 hours. And every 2 hours, okay, you want to do it for 1 hour? Yes, go ahead. Okay. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, that's your choice, because I can overhear some, getting these thoughts. Set some timing according to your lifestyle, and once you hear the beep, ensure that you practice wherever you are, in whichever meeting you are, whether you're driving a vehicle or whatever you're doing. Of course, don't tease me by saying, when I'm in deep sleep, will I do it? Okay, you can always corner me with all these questions. So, but when you're awake, get the beep sound, take 6 deep breaths. Professor, can we take 4 deep breaths? Go ahead. But just bring your consciousness to the deep breaths. That's all I want. Someone is asking, can I take 12 deep breaths? Go ahead. You want to breathe deeply for a minute? Go ahead. The choice is yours. See, my intention is to spread all these things for you. The whole knowledge, whatever I have gathered, I'm going to lay it out like a buffet. Go and choose what you want. Enjoy it. So, breathing, the full breath, what it does, like I said, the metabolism gets balanced, which means full breath in, full breath out balances your blood pressure. See, the blood pressure is also following a golden ratio. 1:1.6. So when that goes out of balance, the doctor says take a pill. But if you are able to breathe, release your stress, and your metabolism gets better and better, it adds to your immunity. Breathing. Very simple. Breathing. See, Bhagavan Ramana Maharishi said, when you breathe, the breath and the thoughts, breath is one branch, thoughts is another branch. If breath is the tiger, thoughts is your dragon. And I've heard what Ramana Maharishi has said. Breathing and thoughts, these two branches come to the same trunk and the root, which is yourself. You breathe correctly, you will think correctly. You breathe and think correctly, you will move correctly. Are you with me? So, from the last video we have seen earth for the food, we have seen water, and in this, it just took that for the air element, I had to spend at least 12 minutes to tell you its importance. Now, don't worry how many times you are breathing, what is happening, how many nadis are there. Forget the number system. Just for now, having heard me, ensure that in the practice of unga life lo kondu varenga neenga. Once, whenever you are able to remember, take a few deep breaths. Okay? So with this, I will wind up this video, and the next one, I'm going to enter into and talk to you about the fire element. 3 elements to build your immunity, we have seen. The air was this one. The next one was going to be fire. Okay? So till then, be with us, stay with us, do leave your comments below. And like I said, if you have not yet subscribed to Hope 18, this is the time now. Press the subscribe button, because your subscription and your comments is going to encourage us to come out with more and more videos. My intention is, I want to take Melanme, that is the management knowledge, scientific knowledge, take it in Hindi, Tamil, and it has to reach the whole population. Education has to be made free. Knowledge has to be shared. So be in this together. Let us join hands. Stay with us. And thank you for watching Hope 18. See you soon.